This is our web application, MatchMeMaybe. I am Michael Ip.
I'm Nicholas Hong. And I'm Justin Lee.
MatchMeMaybe is the newest, most revolutionary innovation in the job search market. With MatchMeMaybe, you can swipe right on your next career move. Don't you just hate being single and jobless? Well, MatchMeMaybe is an AI-driven job matching platform that blends the simplicity of dating apps with job search. Because your resume deserves a love life. Main features include smart job matching with AI tools to analyze resumes and recommend relevant jobs, a swiping interface similar to dating apps, resume analysis, job tracking, and an interactive and intuitive UI.
Using AWS services, MatchMeMaybe can get you less dating drama and more direct deposit. Using S3, we have dynamic storage and hosting for our services. DynamoDB can store all users' jobs data and information, and we use Amazon TextRack to extract information from the users' resumes that are uploaded. And then utilizing Amazon Bedrock combined with AWS Lambda and EC2, we used AI models such as Claude to process the documents. Our front end was designed to emulate common dating apps with modern web development tools to ensure responsiveness, accessibility, and visual appeal. Some frameworks we used were React and TypeScript for maintainable and scalable UI, Tailwind CSS for a clean, utility-first styling system, and we used Framer Motion for intuitive and traditional animations for swipe transitions. Because left swipe regret is real. Pick the right job. And we also use Redux to handle global state for saved job status and resume analysis.
For our backend, the main frameworks we use are a LinkedIn scraper that utilizes Lambda and EC2 and scrapes LinkedIn for its job descriptions. We have resume upload and parsing. We use Lambda and Bedrock to host LLMs, as well as TextRack to extract the relevant information from uploaded resume PDFs to S3. We use RAG-powered job matching. We use, again, our Bedrock-based LLM systems, and that outputs to our Dynamo database. From there, users can track their jobs, which are dynamically stored and retrieved through the Dynamo database. And now for the demo. This is the landing page of MatchMeMaybe. As you can see, it's got the main features on the screen, as well as a cool light and dark mode. Users can go to the profile page and upload their resume, as well as their LinkedIn profile. This does connect to S3, however, the main functionality with the LLM has not been implemented yet, but that is a future feature. Users can then save their profile. As you can see, it starts the job searching process. This does take a second because it needs to ping the LLMs. And yeah.
And here you go to, now after loading your resume, you end up in swiping jobs. And then I don't know if it'll show here, but then over time, using the EC2 and Lambda functions, it scrapes jobs, and then this number will gradually increase. But as you can see, you can swipe left to reject jobs, and you get a nice little UI, flash of red, and then you see a job you like. You can look at the requirements, the description, etc. And then the LLMs also give us a match rating based off your resume and the job application listed. And we can also view the jobs themselves on LinkedIn on the bottom.
We should mention that the requirements and description are also pulled by the LLMs as key points on the LinkedIn job descriptions.
Yeah, Claude JSONifies all of them.
Okay, and now after you swipe some jobs, it'll show up on your saved jobs page. And originally, all the jobs will start as saved, but you can change the status of your jobs based on if you apply. So if you press apply now, it'll send you to a LinkedIn page, and then you can change it to applied, and then the apply will disappear. And you can also change it to interviewing. And if you do land a job, you can click offered, and you'll get a nice celebration of confetti. And you can also filter from status, and you can filter from jobs that you've saved more recently or older.
That's our app. Thank you.